I'm at the pack barn because I wanted to see what they picked this morning and show you what happens after your vegetables get picked out of the field. So it looks like we've got a load of cucumbers and zucchini here. Hi, Ray. And Ray is packing our boxes for Friday, on Friday for our Saturday morning pickup at St. Stephen's Church. And she's also at our market on Saturday for our Saturday market pickup members. And it looks like the crew has to make a plan to where to put all the vegetables. So they got to make some room here. At this point in the season, we often fill up our cooler with vegetables. So. I can.
Well, we make room in that corner for the new stuff. Let's start there.
Yeah. I think that's the older stuff.
Yeah, which needs to
Versus newer than this.
So they're talking about inventory and what's fresh, what's the freshest, and where it's going to go. And so let's see. It looks like these boxes are getting some cinnamon basil here that has the purple flowers and the green leaves. We've got the very first tomatoes. I kind of highlighted that in the last video. These are cherry tomatoes. They're really nice and ripe. Delicious. Oh, we've got some tomatillos here. We struggle with keeping those away from the bugs. And then these are the really sweet Sun Gold tomatoes. So there's a lot more of these coming in future weeks. And our kids are going to be out picking them morning after morning out in the heat. And I want to show you what it looks like to pick a field full of cucumbers and zucchini. Here's the green zucchini. All of these bins are going to have to be kind of straightened out so that they'll stack well in the cooler. These are patty pan summer squash. So it's a yellow summer squash similar to these traditional ones or these here with the green ends. But they're a fun shape, kind of like flying saucers. And they're a little bit more, have a little bit of a firmer texture, so they hold up really well to grilling. They don't just get soft and fall apart. And they also make great stuffed summer squash. So you can just cut the middle and then have a nice bowl shape here. So hope that looks like a lot of vegetables to you. It's fun for me to see everything coming out of the field and filling up a truck full of vegetables from Willow Haven Farm to you. So I hope that you enjoy the vegetables that are coming your way. And if you're not a member of Willow Haven Farm, this is a great time to join because tomato season is just starting and you can't get tomatoes like this anywhere else delivered to your door. So go to willowhavenfarmpa.com and check out our market boxes. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.